Hey, how's everybody doing? Sorry, this is take two for 464 Adamston Road. Here doing an open house. You got to check out this beauty. Independent States subdivision of beautiful Brick, New Jersey. I can smell the ocean air from here. Very beautiful property. I thought I was done with an open house before, and right as I was doing the video, we got a few more shoppers come by. That's what I always say. You get most of the action in the first 15 and the last 15 minutes of an open house. Check out your beautiful foyer. Beautiful ceramic. Nice and easy to keep clean. Beautiful open concept living room and dining room. They actually blew out this wall, kept it up, and they're using this for their beautiful babies. Gorgeous fireplace, mirror going all the way up to the ceilings. Look how tall these ceilings are. Cathedrals. Let's check out your modern and updated kitchen with all the expectations. That's my coffee. Beautiful granite, nice deep sink in there. Again, stainless. This piece is gorgeous. Get additional storage. These chairs valued almost $1,000 a piece. Amazing. Of course, comes with. Let's check out your all seasons room. This is not just a Florida room or a sunroom. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous for entertaining, especially with a stormy day or snowy day. Got yourself a gas fireplace. Let's go check out your outside. Beautiful gazebo. The landscaping. Thank goodness we got some rain this year. Remember last year? Oh my God, you couldn't even look at somebody's lawn. Nice and beautiful, healthy garden going on here. And the current owners, they keep their house so immaculate. You would never know that they had dogs here. And they've got some big dogs. They're beautiful, very well trained. Got your fire pit here. What size? Nice tall fences. Pick up a game of table tennis, which, fun fact, is not called ping pong. Those people take their sport very seriously. They say that ping pong is the name of a brand. It is not the game to call it table tennis. Check out the view from the back corner here. You do have additional drainage. I wish every property had at least one of those. Helps so much. You're getting a pair of very large sheds. Another beautiful deck. All right, let's go check out the upstairs, where you guys will be spending a third of your life in the bedrooms. You are not going to mind that at all when you see the beautiful and large. But before we do, show you the laundry room. So this used to be the garage. The owners before converted it over to a bonus room. You got your utilities right there behind that door. And I call these motorcycle garages or half garages, but I love it when they think, hey, you know what? If we're going to leave the door up, let's at least give us some room for storage. More than enough room here. You got a nice size workbench here. Enough room for a kayak. So have the optional doors they put up. Let's go check out the upstairs. But on our way upstairs, if you want to feel like royalty, stand here and oversee your entire castle. Before we show the grand finale, let's check out these gorgeous and very large secondary bedrooms. Perfect for the growing family, or whatever you choose. Get a great view. I love their wall decorations. It's Thor's hammer. Let's check out your master bedroom. Very large, very beautiful. Comes with a very deep walk-in closet. With a nice, beautiful chandelier. I guess if you want to have a dinner in a closet. No, I'm just kidding. That's just gorgeous to walk into and see how your clothes are being treated. Let's go look at your Jack and Jill full bath. You get the double sinks. You got an extra wide tub. Separate shower stall. This is 464 Adamston Road in Brick, New Jersey. If you didn't have a chance, stop by one of our open houses. Feel free to hit me up, assuming that this is still for sale this week. My name is James Adams with Dolphin Realty, 732-618-2169, or hit me up at james@dolphinrealty.com. Thanks for watching.